Late one evening, Sarah was about to fall asleep when her phone buzzed. The screen lit up with an unknown number. Normally, she would ignore it, but something compelled her to answer. "Hello," she said hesitantly. A faint, static-filled voice responded. "Sarah, listen carefully. You have 2 hours to leave your apartment." Her heart raced. "Who is this? What do you mean?" But the line went dead. Shaken, she looked around her quiet apartment. Everything seemed normal. She double-checked the locks, trying to convince herself it was just a prank. Yet, a deep sense of unease kept gnawing at her. An hour passed, and as she was about to dismiss the call entirely, the lights flickered. Then, a distant rumble shook the building. Looking out of her window, Sarah saw smoke rising from several blocks away. It wasn't long before sirens filled the air. Her phone buzzed again. This time, it was another unknown number. The message read, "Run, now." Without thinking, she grabbed her keys and rushed out. Moments later, as she reached the street, the ground beneath her building trembled violently. The structure she had called home crumbled into a cloud of dust and debris. Breathing heavily, Sarah looked at her phone, but the mysterious messages were gone. No call history, no text. It was as if the warnings had never happened. She looked around, wondering who had warned her and why. The smoke rose high into the sky, and the sirens continued to wail. The reality of her near death was still sinking in. Sarah was shaken but alive. She knew she would never forget the strange phone call that saved her.